Hello guys, good evening. Now this time, right now,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
I am
স্যার
waiting in a cafe
ঠিক আছে
and
স্যার
of course with me our special guest Kiran Khan, and today I am very exciting for him, and now today I am
জোড়া পান কত ঢুকে আবার
order
জোড়া পান কোন
something
দিকে এইদিকে
for it.
দুইটার নাম
Oh
লিখতে হবে।
nice, actually our order has come, and now this time we will take the taste
Take the
of
taste
chicken
and very
with
delicious.
our special guest, Mr. Kiran Khan,
হ্যাঁ thank you.
and we are enjoying very much. But this time I meet my manager sir, Hassan Bhai, and Bilal Bhai also, and Mr. Hassan who joined Aki's group. I missed also him. However, no more today. Now we'll take the taste of chicken and roti. So guys, see you.
See you. Let's
See you.
let's
Bye bye.
let's start.